Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Conic section exercise 11.1 6 to 9 sum in this video. Let's see the question. In each of the following, find the center and the radius of the circle. So we need to find the center and the radius of the circle. Here the equations are given. First we should know the equation of a circle. So equation of a circle will be x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of the required equation of the circle. Here in the sixth sum it's given as x plus 5 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square. In this h and k are the centers and r will be your radius. Here in the sixth sum it is x plus 5 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to 36. Instead of minus h we have h and k are the centers. So minus h is equal to 5. Instead of minus h we have 5 here. So h will be equal to 5. Same way minus k equal to minus 3. So k will be equal to 3. Instead of r square we have 36 here. So if we bring square to that side it becomes root. So root 36 will be plus or minus 6. As it is radius it will be a positive. It is a distance. So it will be of positive number. So I am taking only plus 6. So your center is minus 5 comma 3 and your radius is 6. This is the answer for the sixth sum. We'll move on to the seventh one. In the seventh one the question given as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. Now bring the constant term to this side. It becomes x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y equal to 45 because we always need equal to one radius. Now let me join this 2 and just this 2 together. Here it becomes x square minus 4x plus y square minus 8y equal to 45. I am going to form this equation as a minus b the whole square without changing the question. I can't change the question. I have no rights to change the question. Now it should be in a minus b whole square formula. Already we have a square minus 2ab here. That is a square minus 2 into a here is x. So if I multiply another 2 I will get my 4. So 2ab will be 4. So plus 2 square a minus b whole square. I have no rights to change the question. If I add something here also I have something in the equal to side on the RHS side. So if this 2 get cancelled I have not changed the question. The same way here y square minus 2a. So to get 8 we need to multiply with 4. So 4 will be your b square. So plus 4 square. Same way if you add something here add it also here. So plus this is for you to understand. I have written this will be your sum. Now we can write this to be a minus b the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equal to, here it becomes 45 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 16. Now this becomes x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square is equal to 20 65. Now we know that the formula x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So h will be equal to, the center will be equal to h comma k. So 2 comma 4. Now your radius will be equal to r square equal to 65. Then r will be equal to root 65. So your radius is root 65 and your center is 2 comma 4 for this sum. Now we'll move on to the eighth one. In the eighth one, we have the question as x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. Bring the constant term to this side, so it becomes x square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y equal to 12. So join these two terms. So x square minus 8x plus y square minus 10y equal to 12. Now, as I told before, I am not going to change the question, and I am going to change this to be a minus b the whole square. This will be a plus, because here it is plus, so it will be of form a plus b whole square. Here x square. Now divide 8x by 2, you will get your b. 8 by 2, you will get your b. So 4 will be your b. So plus 4 square. Now same way, divide 10 by 2, you will get your b. Plus 5 square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. For getting b square, just divide the x coefficient or a y coefficient by 2, you will get your b square. We can't add anything here, so also add this to be here. Now this becomes a minus b whole square formula, which is x minus 4 the whole square plus y plus 5 the whole square equal to 12 plus 16 plus 25. This becomes 53 x minus 4 the whole square plus y plus 5 the whole square. We know the formula of the equation of a circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So instead of h we have 4, instead of minus k we have 5. So k is equal to 5 minus 5, r is equal to root 53. So the center will be 4 comma minus 5, and your radius will be root 53 for the 8th sum. We'll move on to the 9th one. In the 9th one, we have the question as 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. We don't have a constant term to bring it to that side, and we only want x minus h the whole square, not 2. So divide by 2, here it becomes x square plus y square minus x by 2 is equal to 0. Combine the x values together, write it together. So x square minus x by 2 plus y square equal to 0. Now as I told before in the previous sum, you can divide the x coefficient by 2, get your b. Here it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2 will become 1 by 4. So your b, now here it becomes 1 by 4, here 0. As we are adding 1 by 4, even here we need to add 1 by 4 the whole square. So the question is not been changed. So this becomes a minus b the whole square formula. So a minus b is x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. If you have any doubt, just solve and check. Plus here it becomes 1 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 by 1 by 4 the whole square. Your center will be h comma k, which is 1 by 4 comma 0, and the radius is equal to here r square is 1 by 4 the whole square, and r will become 1 by 4. The radius will become 1 by 4, and your center is 1 by 4 comma 0 is the answer for the 9th sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.